Today we're going to be making the sweet and soft Hawaiian bread rolls. It's perfect to enjoy by itself as a dinner roll or filled with different kinds of goodies as a sandwich bun or as a slider. Now let's get baking!
Okay, so first mix 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast to half a cup of warm milk, then set aside. In a separate bowl or your mixer bowl, add all the dry ingredients. First, we're going to add the 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add in 1 whole egg, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Beat the egg lightly, then mix everything together, then add in the milk and yeast mixture. Using a dough hook attachment, mix everything together in low speed until everything comes together, then increase the speed to medium-low until the dough is no longer sticking to the sides of the bowl. Knead the dough into a ball and transfer in a lightly greased bowl. Here, I'm using olive oil, but you can also use vegetable oil or even melted butter. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a towel and place in a warm place to proof for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. Lightly punch the dough down to deflate it, then transfer into a flat, clean surface. You can use a little bit of flour if the dough is too sticky. Roll out the dough and divide into 15 to 16 equal-sized portions. You can always use a weighing scale if you want the weight to be exact. Then shape the dough into balls and set aside. When forming the dough balls, I pretty much just tuck in the sides of the dough to the center, then I pinch and roll it lightly to secure the ball shape. Prepare your pan by greasing it lightly, then lining it with parchment paper. Before I add in the dough balls, I secure it tightly by rolling the bottom of the dough using the sides of my hands, like so. Cover the pan with a towel or plastic wrap and set aside in a warm room for 30 minutes to an hour or until it doubled in size again. This is optional, but you can brush the dough with egg wash, which is a mixture of egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Bake the dough in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the bread turned golden brown. Then finally, you can brush the warm bread with honey and butter. And then all you have to do is enjoy this delicious, soft, and sweet Hawaiian bread rolls.
And that's it for the sweet and soft Hawaiian bread roll recipe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of my easy baking videos. See you next time!